Hey guys, ePirate RC here, and this is going to be my part 2 of my part 1. Just showing a little bit more of the simulator and what you can do in Real Flight 9. Here you can go through and select what airplane or a helicopter, whatever you want to fly. As you can see here, there's a ton of products. You got Timberex. You got the old timber, got it on floats, got the convergence, not the Habu, but the Havoc, Striker. I mean, there's a ton of aircraft on here, and I have added more to mine. There's a popular one there, the old AJ Slick. Many people I think had this color scheme here. If not, you have the yellow one. I've actually had both of those. And then there's the blue one, which I honestly don't remember, but fun planes to fly, you know, electric powered, and they fly well. This one's bone stock, haven't done anything to it, so it doesn't have the control that mine would normally have. That was one thing I always loved about my AJ Slick, was it would tumble like a madman. But I did an airplane part in the last video, so I said I was going to do helis in this one, and I'm going to get this guy back on the ground. You just come over here to the airplane symbol, come down here, and you can either scroll with your mouse pad, you know, you can click right here and scroll it like this, or what I like to do, and I just like using my keyboard, and I will scroll down and find something I like. But I also have favorites, so you can go up here to aircraft, all aircraft, custom aircraft. I've customized my Synergy, and you can change the canopy on it just like the helicopters if you like to. Hit fly and you get spooled up here. In here, there you have your idle ups, and I think I might not be in idle 1. I might be in, yeah, I was in idle standard mode, so. As far as realism, it is pretty realistic, I think. Well, I must still not be in most idle up. So let's go inverted and punch it. Nope. Now. Whoa, she went crazy on me. Okay. Now we're in idle up 2, I think. And now I can go inverted without losing power. Do some inverted circuits. You do have your throttle hold. And you can set those up anywhere you like to. Not quite what I could go so crazy for. That's not realistic at all. Not for any helis I've ever flown, but here's some 4-point flips here. There's some 4-point side ones. I haven't really been flying helis lately, but I still remember how. Do some inverted. I mean, sorry, not inverted, but backward flight. Gotta watch out for all these poles and banners on this field. This is the Extreme Flight Virtual Fun Fly field. do some backwards rolls. Something I actually never done in real life, but I need to try that sometime. That is a little bit of heli action. That's one of my favorite helis to fly. You get tired of flying that one, you want to pick something else, you can. And here's another heli that I like. Again, I've customized these to my liking. I've given them more pitch or more elevator control. Never flown a nitro heli in real life, but from the simulator, I seem to have less power. Using my electrics, just giving it to me, giving me everything I want. I just hear it bogging. Whoa! I can't fly looking through my camera. That's not a good idea. You're cutting out on me. I bogged it. Whoa, that's an ugly auto, but I'm on the ground. You do have multiple flying sites you can choose from. Here's the water one here, Lake Douglas. I'm up to the flying pad here, but pretty cool view. Got water to fly over. That's your thing. Tree line to watch out for. Whoops. Hey, it happens, guys. It does make you hit throttle hold, and then it wants you to go back to your normal all up. Once you get all three things here, it might be hard to see, but you got a green dot or a red dot. And it wants you to get all green dots before you reset your heli, and then you can just flip back to your idle 2 and go back to flying. It just teaches you a little bit on how realistic, in real life you'd want to make sure you hit throttle hold before you crash. So stop your engine, take your nitro down to idle. They have all kind of flying sites though. Sarah County model. So I guess this is actually made after a real RC club. They got a pretty view, looks like. I don't know if I've ever flown in this field. There's so much stuff on the simulator. Now if you watch my part 1 of this, Again, I gotta stop looking through my camera that I'm recording with to do this, but anyways. You got different modes. You can camera positions that you can look at. So like this one, you can go in and look. Or maybe you can't. Maybe you can't do that on a helicopter, I guess. Normally you can click on nose or chase and you'll be behind it, but I guess they won't let you do that on a heli. Maybe it's good because I would probably crash it. I was looking from the inside of the heli. I've never attempted to do an LTV helicopter. I probably wouldn't be good at it. Whoa, I lost my tail rotor, guys. Ooh, bad one. Okay, guys, anyways. Again, I'm better with airplanes than I am with helis, but that's just a little view looking into Real Flight 9. And what you can do with it, you can go online here, multiplayer, you can join a group. It tells me I don't have a microphone plugged up, I've got one on order, mine seemed to die on me. And then you can go and find a room that you want to fly in. You got all types of rooms. Here's their Extreme Flight, RC Group Extreme Flight 1. Just, you know, all different ones that you can get involved in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, like. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. There's always something fun. Please stay safe out there and happy flying. Catch y'all next time.